Get in, get in, get in. Give me the shotgun.
First blood. Kill bonus.
Man, shotgun is so OP early games. I promise you. And I'm gonna tell the reason in a bit. Let me kill these guys, then I will. Just give me 1 minute. Oh, that's my teammate. I think we should have a third guy because I killed 2, alright? So the reason why shotguns are so OP like in the beginning of the match is this guy left. Anyways, no need to revive him. It's because like you would assume that we just landed and we don't have helmets and vests, so like it does so much damage even if you're not playing Shotgun Master. Early games.
Survival bonus.
What am I doing? I'm trolling. Oh my god.
Kill bonus.
The way he jumped.
Survival bonus.
Lol. Oh my god, I'm dead. I guess I'm the better shotgun master, huh? Hehe. Damn. You had a red one? God damn. I'll take all the flashbangs and these as well. Where is this guy? Like, he's so... Is he behind this? I was like, I don't see this guy, but he's behind the tree. And oh! Fuck. This guy didn't hear that. One guy in that small building there. He died to the zone. No. Nuclear? I'm gonna go from the left side. I have to climb, but I think that's the safe play because we have one more team on the right, it seems. Let's go from the left. Let's go. Let's pop one first aid. Get in here. I have 50 bandages? Why? When did I pick this many up? I gotta go to next zone. I should hurry. And there's people down here as well? Come on, bruh. Don't shoot. Be smart and don't shoot. Get to safety. There's people at these houses as well. And look at this guy here. Okay, I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone right here. This guy's moving so much. Stand still just for 1 sec so I can hit the headshot. He's pushing somewhere. Oh, I got him. 3 hits in a row. I'm cracked. Let's go. I believe we also had someone over here. You know what? I gotta get to these houses. Because like that's in the zone. Anyone here? No, right? Oh. Dude, I'm hitting people headshot with my legendary car 98, but it does not knock them. But all of these guys, they have level 5 helmets. I thought this thing would knock a level 5 helmet. I hit him! Come on. Oh my god, I'm sick. I hit that guy midair. 3 teams left. Okay, I'm just gonna chill here for now because I have the zone like on this right house. So I'm just gonna still remain here. Stay relaxed. There's 5 soldiers. So I'm a solo guy and then there's 2 teams. Like 2 versus 2 versus 2. No, 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 there's one guy here. Oh my god! Holy shit! Wait, I pulled this off! Dude, I'm in shock. What? Emote? Emote? Yo, how did I pull this off? Oh my god. Yo, both my teammates, they died like in early game. And I was like, there's no way. Like, I'm playing solo trios now. My heart is beating fast. Like, I want to replay this from the opponent's POV. Let's watch this. Oh my god. And I was playing Shotgun Master with, like, my close range gun was a shotgun, and then I had a sniper rifle. Yo, this is amazing. I played so well this match. Oh, I'm so happy. What a good match.